Our immune system is like our body's army. It fights off harmful germs that can make us sick. The immunity gap happens when this army is weak. It means more people are vulnerable to infections. Think of it like this. When we get sick, our body learns to fight the germs. This helps us build immunity. But if we haven't been exposed to enough germs, our immunity weakens. This can happen for many reasons. Maybe we've been staying home more, or maybe not enough people are getting vaccinated. Whatever the reason, a weaker immune system means we are more likely to get sick. It's important to understand the immunity gap. This helps us protect ourselves and our communities. The immunity gap is a concern right now for a few key reasons. This gap refers to the reduced ability of our immune systems to fend off infections and diseases. One major reason is the COVID-19 pandemic, which has had a profound impact on our daily lives and health practices. During the pandemic, many people stayed home more to avoid the virus, leading to significant changes in our exposure to various pathogens. While this was important for slowing the spread of COVID-19, it also meant less exposure to common germs that our bodies are used to encountering. This reduced exposure may have weakened our immunity to these everyday bugs, making us more susceptible to infections we would normally fend off. Another critical factor is vaccination rates, which play a vital role in maintaining public health. Vaccines are one of the best ways to train our immune systems to fight disease, providing a controlled exposure to pathogens. However, in recent years, vaccination rates for some diseases have declined, partly due to misinformation and vaccine hesitancy. This decline leaves more people vulnerable to these illnesses, increasing the risk of outbreaks and community spread. Finally, immunity from vaccines or prior infections naturally wanes over time, which is a normal part of how our immune systems work. This means the protection we have from getting sick can weaken as time passes, necessitating ongoing vigilance and healthcare measures. This is why getting booster shots, when recommended, is crucial. Boosters help to reinforce our immune defenses, ensuring we remain protected against evolving threats. The immunity gap has real consequences. When more people have weaker immune systems, we see outbreaks of preventable diseases. This can strain our healthcare systems. Hospitals and clinics may become overwhelmed with patients. This makes it harder for everyone to get the care they need, whether they have a common cold or a more serious condition. Outbreaks also impact our daily lives. Schools and businesses may need to close. People may miss work or school due to illness. This can disrupt our routines and the economy. So what can we do? One of the most effective ways to close the immunity gap is through vaccination. Vaccines are safe and effective. They work by introducing a weakened or inactive form of a germ to our bodies. This teaches our immune systems how to fight the real germ without making us seriously ill. When enough people are vaccinated, it creates something called herd immunity. This helps protect those who can't get vaccinated, like babies or people with certain medical conditions. It's also important to stay up to date on recommended booster shots. Boosters help remind our immune systems how to fight off diseases. This is especially important for diseases that our bodies may not encounter as often anymore. Beyond vaccines, everyday habits for stronger immunity. While vaccines play a vital role in protecting us from various diseases, there are numerous everyday habits that can significantly enhance our immune system's strength and resilience. Vaccines are crucial, but there are other things we can do to boost our immune systems. These additional measures can complement the protection vaccines provide, ensuring our bodies are well equipped to fend off illnesses. One important step is to focus on our overall health. This means adopting a holistic approach that includes physical activity, mental well-being, and proper nutrition. This includes eating a balanced diet with plenty of fruits, vegetables, and whole grains. Nutrient-rich foods provide the essential vitamins and minerals our immune system needs to function optimally. Regular exercise is also important for a healthy immune system. Physical activity helps to circulate immune cells more efficiently, making it easier for the body to detect and fight off infections. Aim for at least 30 minutes of moderate intensity exercise most days of the week. This can include activities like jogging, aerobics, or even dancing. This could be as simple as going for a brisk walk or bike ride. Consistency is key, so find activities you enjoy and make them a regular part of your routine. Getting enough sleep is crucial too. Quality sleep allows our bodies to repair and regenerate, which is essential for maintaining a strong immune system. When we don't get enough sleep, our bodies produce less of the cells that fight infection. This can leave us more vulnerable to illnesses and slow down our recovery time. Aim for 7 to 8 hours of quality sleep each night. Establishing a regular sleep schedule and creating a restful environment can help improve sleep quality and, in turn, boost your immune health. The power of prevention is something we should never underestimate. It's not just about taking vitamins or exercising regularly, although those are important. Prevention encompasses a wide range of habits and practices that can keep us healthy and safe. Good hygiene is another powerful tool in the fight against germs. It's a simple yet effective way to protect ourselves and those around us from illness. This means washing our hands frequently with soap and water, especially before eating, after using the restroom, and after touching surfaces in public places. Proper hand washing involves scrubbing all parts of our hands, including the backs, between the fingers, and under the nails. And after being in public places, it's crucial to dry our hands thoroughly as well, as damp hands can transfer germs more easily. If soap and water aren't available, hand sanitizer with at least 60% alcohol is a good alternative. It's convenient for on-the-go situations and can quickly reduce the number of germs on our hands. Avoid touching our faces, especially our eyes, nose, and mouth, as these are entry points for germs. Germs can easily enter our bodies through these areas, leading to infections, as these are entry points for germs. Covering our coughs and sneezes with a tissue or our elbow helps prevent the spread of germs. This simple act can protect those around us from getting sick. It's a small gesture that can have a big impact on public health. And if you are feeling sick, stay home to avoid getting others sick. Resting and recovering at home not only helps you get better faster, but also protects your community. These simple habits can significantly reduce the spread of infections. By incorporating these practices into our daily routines, we can create a healthier environment for everyone. In a world with more circulating germs, it's wise to make smart choices about where we go and what we do. If you're at higher risk of getting sick, consider avoiding large crowds, especially indoors during peak cold and flu season. If you do need to be in crowded places, wearing a mask can provide an extra layer of protection. This is especially important in areas with poor ventilation. Don't be afraid to ask your doctor about your personal risk factors and what precautions you should take. Staying informed about current health recommendations is essential. Check reliable sources like the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention or the World Health Organization for updates on outbreaks and recommended vaccinations. Talk to your doctor about any concerns you have about your health or the health of your family. They can provide personalized advice based on your individual circumstances. Remember, knowledge is power. By staying informed, we can make the best decisions for ourselves and our loved ones. The immunity gap is a serious issue, but it's not insurmountable. By understanding the factors contributing to it, we can take steps to protect ourselves and our communities. Vaccination, healthy habits, good hygiene, and informed decision-making all play a crucial role. Closing the immunity gap is a shared responsibility. By working together, we can create a healthier future for everyone.